Hey everybody, my name's Jackstorm, and welcome to Battle Cats. Now, if you're wondering, hi, how is it playing this? Listen, I got a new iPad. I can find out I can record on this, so we're going to be doing this. This is going to be going on my new channel, review Jackstorm82 apps, and we're going to be playing on games. So why don't we just jump straight into it? Let's go. Korea. Sir, if you're wondering, there is no music. So I'll turn it back on. But I've played this game before. It's pretty simple, not that hard. Yes, produce cats. Now let's sort by the cat's icon. I know. Okay, wait, let me go. There we go. That's nice. That works. So there we go, that works. That's music's better. So get more money. Tap the icon and increase by the arrow. I know how to play the game. Love the music. So this is gonna be fun. Let's upgrade our money, send out some more cats. And oh, my cat's dead. We're sending another one. Send out the cats. Send out the troops. Release the troops. Yes, I know the cat cannon. Upgrading again so we can make more. So this is gonna be fun. Like, we get to play any game we want. I can pause recording, I can turn off recording. So I guess let's just play. Find this game. Find out how this game. So I can edit. I can like pause the recording and unpause the recording if I really want to. Alright, and if I can end it easily. It's not like on my PS4. It's not like I have to edit the video afterwards and it's tiring, so I just click one button and bam, the full recording's paused, and then I can unpause it. So small, maybe you could see this. Just turn you to black. Okay. So good job. That's funny. We'll play with that later. I don't even know if this is going on YouTube or not, so I'll figure that out. I want to say the line, but no, I can't. No, dogs are close enough. Doggo. I played Dogeminer for like Dogecoins, but no, go away. Shoot. Can I turn down the music? No? Okay. Worth a try. So I'll be playing on various different games, and yeah. Okay, almost dead. Just gotta push through them one last time, and just one more tap, and then they're dead, and we win. Was it that hard? No. Okay, treasure menu has been activated, has been unlocked. Okay, it's cool. Blah 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 blah. Daily login, cool. Cool, I don't care. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. There's some menu stuff, and look at that. Shoot. So, yeah, that's fun. Upgrades. We can upgrade our cat. Look at that. We got long cat, tank cat. It'll become a wild cat. Trust me, I play this game a lot. I used to play this game a lot. More than I actually did. So Charge, range. We're definitely going with range, because my cat cannon was just pathetic. Cool, 20 cat food. That's gonna be useful, so... I'll open that door 100 times in a minute. Gosh, open! Yeah, flower cat. That's what it's open for. So that's a little trick. If you, I think you have to slide that door open like 50, 20 times in a minute, and then you unlock that cat. Yes, 101 basics. Yes. Okay. Blah blah blah. I just imagine this in a like a parade. That'd be funny. That'd be funny. I didn't even click let's battle, but okay, sure. This may seem a lot louder for you guys. This video is just gonna be me vibing to the music. Look at that, the cat cannon's starting so much farther. We're just gonna be using these cats. Just destroying them. Okay, also go check out my gaming channel, JackStorm82, that's the main account. It's where I play Dying Light, Undertale, Minecraft, Fortnite, things like that. Sometimes Fortnite. I actually haven't uploaded Fortnite for a while, so... If you enjoyed this, go check out my other channel, JackStorm82. This is JackStorm82 apps. What? Easy peasy. Look at that. Easy clapped. You're leveling up. And let's wait for range for the cat cannon. And again, sorry if this is just me gonna be vibing to the music for 20 minutes straight. Sorry, not sorry. Anyway, we're gonna be using Flower Cat this run. Okay, so got a lot of guys. I'm making my Flower Cat. His string gets black as a time effect. That's useful. Put them all with those cats. And oh, I'm not gonna have enough. Okay, we're sending out Wall Cat. Why is that cat cannon? Yeah! That's what I like to see. Woo! Love to see it, love to see it. Love to see it, love to see it. So again, sir, this is gonna be me vibing to the music for 20 minutes. Sorry, not sorry. I'm not really sorry, I don't care. I'm vibing to the music. Tank Cat's taking it. Tank. It's like a tank. I mean, his name is Tank Cat. So, what can I say? Okay, almost there. Come on. snake, cats coming, snake, cat, snake. Dun, 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 now. Go away, go away, go away, go away, gam! I did nothing, firing the cat cannon. Run, flower cat, run! Like the wind, bullseye! Funny, it's funny. I'm good, I'm a punny, I'm punny. Hey, wait, okay, no offense to anyone who's actually unemployed. What do you call a person that's unemployed? I would love to make jokes about unemployed people, but none of them work. You're probably all facepalming me for that, or you're mad at me, you're probably clicking out the video. Oh, I'm sorry if that offended you. Sorry, not sorry, but that was a good joke. I'd just love to go to a comedy show and say that. That would just be like, everyone facepalm. Everyone would facepalm. Everyone would be facepalming with other people's faces. It's a good joke. I mean, it's cringy as hell, but just, who cares? It's a joke. Comedy, it's 2020. What do you expect? What do you expect from this world? Oh, we're about to win, okay. Five cats cannon. Oh, that was easy. No sound. Shh. Just quiet. ASMR. ASMR is complete. Most of you either grossed out and clicking off the video, just skip ahead 10 seconds. Just skip ahead 10 seconds if you don't like that. Should I do efficiency, wallet? I think I should do wallet. And then, let's do efficiency. Oh, I meant to upgrade that. Go back. No. Efficiency, upgrade, thank you. Let me guess, it's, okay. It's Cat God, I'm gonna be saving Cat God for another day. I have a specific plan I'm gonna be going with. It's where you, oh, what was that? Wait, what was that mission? In Japanese and the 7th stage in Empire of Cats. Right, the 7th stage has some really good crap. So I am at the 3rd, 4th stage. Thailand? What the hell comes up with these names? I'm not defensive. Hello. No cat capsules yet. It's kind of annoying. This game is really just about patience and waiting. And about murdering your enemies, but that's the less important part of it. Oh yeah, look at my wallet right off the bat, look at that. Ooh, it goes up by 200 each time? Jeez, I'm gonna be getting Flower Cat no gosh dang time. I'm gonna be getting Flower Cat in no time. And I also have a different, little strategy. It's up to you guys if you want to try this strategy for yourselves about cats. You'll see when we unlock it, when we unlock cat capsules. Here's a little thing. I'm pretty sure the first golden capsule you ever open, the rare capsules, it's always gonna be either not legendary, uber rare or uber super rare. Fire as a cannon. But there's a little tip for you. It's just a little thing I found out after playing this game and it's restarting it so many times. You find out over time the first capsule you always open is always going to be super good. It's a super good capsule. The first capsule you open. I have a strategy. Now, most of the time, the people you get, you can't use because you don't got an upgraded wall, you don't got upgraded efficiency. It's pointless to have the thing laying around in your deck until you get at least like halfway through the game, halfway through the state, halfway through chapter 1. It's pointless. Because you can't use it because you don't got an upgraded wallet or efficiency. So if you do get enough money to use it, you can't even recharge it. It takes like an entire like 10 minutes for it to recharge. Okay, they're getting really close. Eyes are cannon. Oh damn, look at that. Flower cat. Flower cat's fast. Faster than most of these cats, but so there's a little tip for you. Always try to get Flower Cat because he's pretty good. You see, he can tank a few hits. He can. It's just good early on in the game. Once you get later in the game, he's kind of useless because you don't ever use him again. You just leave them in. You just go in and put them in like your 5th deck, and you never touch that deck. When you do touch the deck, it's like, oh, Flower Cat. I probably should replace that with like, I don't know. Example. Titan Cat. I probably should replace Flower Cat for Titan Cat. So it's you don't use Flower Cat after the first few stages of this game. So that's always nice just to use it early game. And he's pretty good off the bat. He can tank a few hits. He does some damage, a little bit of damage, but still does damage. So always just have Flower Cat. Just like swipe that door as fast as you freaking can. And level your efficiency would level down there. That can only go up to 8, and anything past that is well, it's maxed out now. Look at that. It's can't use it. They can't go past that point. Look how fast we're getting money. And every time you kill an enemy, you get some money. So at this point in the game, you're just like, yeah, I'm just gonna sit back, do nothing. It's kind of just time consuming. It's just time consuming. But still nice to do sometimes. But I'm always not using Flower Cat after the first few stages. Like after I get past level stage like 15, I don't use Flower Cat because he's useless now. Sure, yeah, actually, there's no gender for these cats other than like Titan Cat. You don't know. It's a boy because Titan. There's not really Titan girls. They don't really mean Titan girls. And it looks like a boy, so I'm calling it a boy. Sue me. But like in Battle Cats, you know a girl is a girl. They got a rockin' set of melons. They got a rockin' set of bouncy balls. Get your mind out of the gutter. Well, I guess I should just say that to myself. I mean, like, I have a bouncy ball beside me, so it just came to my mind. I'm just like, bouncy balls. Get your mind out of the gutter for that part. Bouncy balls part, get your mind out of the gutter. The other part I don't care about. What stage am I on? Stage 5? That took way too long. It was just annoying, it was just tedious. I probably should put Axe Cat in here. First, I'm gonna get an upgraded wallet, so I can do that. Research, accounting, increase the money earned when defeating an enemy. Study, increase the amount of XP received from clearing a stage. Yes, I do want that. And I'll equip Axe Cat, because it's Axe Cat. 200 for Axe Cat, that's not bad, it's not bad at all. I think we're gonna get past the first few stages and then end the video. And I'll be uploading it to see if what happens. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Most of my videos either don't have sound, or my mic, or just suck. See, the thing is with this stage, it's close. Close quarters, so they have time to, like, walk over to you. Look at that, we started at 450 off the bat. That's what I call nice. I get that. We're up to 600. That went up 250. No, 150. Went up 150. Okay, we gotta get Kakin up running now. Because we are getting awfully close. They're getting awfully dangerously close to our base, and I don't like it. Oh wait! I'm pretty sure there's only like there's a set amount of enemies you can have on the map, and a set amount of people you can have as well. Fires the cat cannon. Axe Cat is so good. Early on game, like he is just a god. He looks like Nick Fury. Like the Avengers, Marvel Avengers, and all that. If you don't, go to Disney Plus. Well, I'm not explaining what Marvel is to you. Go to Disney Plus. You'll find out for yourself. Can I get another Axe Cat out there? Thank you. Axe Cat is super good right now. Oh, dang. I'm doing a lot of damage. Nah, that's a lot of damage. Except Flex Day won't fix yours. So Swift won't be there to help you. Now that's a lot of damage. But you think about it, this game's kind of morbid. Like you're killing dogs and people, dwarves, snakes. You're killing them all. Yeah, I get it's war. But it's war. in a Japanese kids game. This game. Okay, it's not suitable for all ages, but shit, this is a bad example. Never mind. I think I'm on stage 6. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm on stage 6. We're getting close to stage 7, and then that can wrap this up for the first episode in history. Let's go. And look at that, it wasn't just an hour. Why did I start with less money? Why did I start with less money? This last round I start, like last... You know what, never mind. Final set a few wildcats and get to level 3. And we'll chillin'. There we go. Send an Axe Cat next. Yes, I know the name of all of them. He's good against red. Flower Cat's good against black. This guy can just tank a whole lot of you, and it's this guy. This is an area. He's got an area attack? Dang, I didn't even know that. Fires a cat cannon. Dead. Axe Cat. There we go. Got Axe Cat out. Axe Cat is super good. When you start stacking multiple Axe Cats, he's indestructible. He's indestructible. You can't kill him afterwards. So I have a specific strategy for the endgame. I save up for every ability I can get for the final stage with the moon. I buy Cat God, which gives me then, since the CPU buys cats automatically for you. So if I put a CPU and then get the upgrade that starts out, so like it shows you the ropes for Cat God, and then the CPU just freaking bashes out cats. Starts gangbanging them. Starts gangbanging the freaking hell out of that freaking, I don't know what his name is. Face guy? I don't know what his name is. I don't really care. I'm not really gonna Google it. Probably gonna Google it actually. Oh god, Axe Cat. So good. So good. There's an Axe Cat. God, stop! Just start killing them, please! Axe Cat, I sent you out there for a reason. Murder! Bloody, no, there's no bloody murder. There's no bloody murder. Yes, if you want to. And if you're not up to date with that, then Google it and then delete your search history because right after. Striked by YouTube. I'm just a stupid guy playing on battle cats. Throwing cats at dogs and humans and snakes. What do you freaking expect me to do? Go twiddle my thumbs in the corner? Nah, fam. getting in this action. For God's sakes, push back! I do not know what the word push back means. It means push him back. Holy freaking Christ, this guy sucks. Just die, you stupid dogs. Breaker. But this is getting annoying. Need another axe cat. Okay, I can stack them now. I'm stacking them. Yes. Keep stacking. Keep stacking. Yes, push the base, push the base, push the base. Yes. Die. Finally. I didn't get a medal for that. God damn it. Long legs cat. Gross cat. Make sure to get him in there. He is so good. I guess where we're going up next. It's freaking expensive hill, so I'm gonna get bigger. That's not what I want. Nope. I am gonna need to get a bigger wallet. Bam. Bigger wallet. I don't know. Yes, that. And that. Okay. My cat energy is almost out. So, well, no, it's not. Actually, it's very, very full. Okay, Japan. Oh, am I gonna get some to see some anime? Oh, what's up some anime? Just send a Wildcat just to keep him back. Wildcat, keep him back, and I'll upgrade my level again. Wildcat should take a cat. His name is technically Wildcat. He's a freaking wall. Freaking brick wall. And yes, this cat is gross. I gotta save up for that, so I'm just gonna be upgrading until I get enough. Another Wildcat. Just to make sure to stay there. Keep the Wildcats coming. Nope, no, God. There's a cat coming. Let a man just die. Gross cat, please go take care of the little man. Guys, just I like you cut G and everyone. Go, I like you cut G, everyone. I like you cut G. Let's get another gross cat out there. I like you cut G. I like your cut, G. I like your cut, G. I like your cut, G. How am I timing this so perfectly? Maybe asking? I don't know. I like your cut, G. I like your cut, G. Oh, hello, big boy. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. We're gonna start actually planning out. So what I'm gonna do? No, I'm not. I'm just gonna send out everything. So I like you cut G the little mans. Don't die on me. Or pull him back, pull back in the cat cannon. Got another gross cat up there, and one gross cat's dead. We need to take care of the little man. God damn it. forgot how the idea does. Oh, he's dead. And I won. Wow, actually, that took me like 9 minutes. Blah 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 blah. Got a golden ticket. Nice. Okay, so we're going to. Sorry to leave you guys on a cliffhanger. Sorry to leave you guys. Sorry to leave you guys on a cliffhanger, but that's gonna end this episode here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget like, subscribe, ring any ding that bell for more. And guys, hey, I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.